welcome to Funzidu. Today we are going to learn colors together. Are you ready to have fun with colors? Let's go, guys! Let's start our colorful adventure. Hello, kids. This is our friend Zidu. Zidu is playing happily in the garden. Yay! I love playing here. Look at the butterflies. Oh no! All the colors are gone. Zidu is surprised. Wow! A magical box is coming from the sky! The box is opening! What is inside? Wow! It's so magical! This is a magical map! Zidu is going to the magical island! Wow, this island is so colorful! Look, the trees are turning into rainbows! And colorful houses, this is the happiest place! Oh, something hit Zidu! Red apple. Wow, red car! This color is red. Let's find more colors. Look at all the green. So many colors. Wow, blue color. This is a blue ball. Wow, blue sky. This color is blue. Wow, yellow color. This is a yellow sun. Wow, yellow banana. This color is yellow. Wow, green color. This is a green tree. Wow, green frog. This color is green. Wow, pink color. This is a pink flower. Wow, pink balloon. This color is pink. Wow, orange color. This is an orange. Wow, orange bus. This color is orange. Wow, purple color. This is purple grapes. Wow, purple hat. This color is purple. Wow, black color. This is a black umbrella. Wow, black cat. This color is black. Wow, white color. This is a white cloud. Wow, white sheep. This color is white. Yay! I found all the colors! Thank you, kids! Bye-bye! Bye-bye, friends! See you next time!